Wise and ancient people believed in the power of plants. They extracted the best properties of the plants and condensed them into pure and potent oils, and found something incredible. They came to realize the plants are here to provide powerful nutrients and healing energy for our bodies. Today, Tao Essential Oils does the work of bottling these ancient secrets for your own personal use and well-being. Now you can get the purest grade oils shipped right to your door, simply by placing an order on the Tao Essential Oils website. No complicated MLMs or network marketing business models, paid membership programs, or distributor channels to navigate. And believe us, we know about the hoops you have to jump through out there to get quality oils. Well, not anymore. Tao Essential Oils offers a simple direct ordering process online and a shipment right to your door. Oh, and at the absolute best price on the market for premium grade oils too. Many people who use Tao Essential Oils have experienced the medicinal potency of the plants in the same way our ancient ancestors did. From pursuing general health and wellness to supporting a particular symptom, ailment, or illness within their bodies, the power of the plant is a choice that many make for themselves and are glad they did. So go ahead, put Tao Essential Oils to the test. We'd like to give you 30% off your first order with us, and we guarantee you'll find our oils cannot be matched in purity, quality, and value. Tao Essential Oils, nature's purest secrets, delivered to your door.